Tornado warning. Goodbye.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located over Evansville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fulton, Indian Fort, Edgerton, Cooksville, Albion, Utica, Evansville, and Stoughton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
First one of the year.
A strong thunderstorm will impact Central Green, northwestern